Cool. Here we go, guys. This is the last break of tonight. 2013 Contenders. 2013 from 111 Eastern Standard Time. Here we go. I'm just mumbling now. Come on with it. Good to have you guys on board. Thanks so much. JB Woods sneaking in here late night. Same with Berserker. And Mikey Wiley, just an absolute trooper. Hashtag, I mean, he's a warrior. A box break warrior. You get like the Medal of Honor for being like the most dedicated breaker on the planet. So Mikey Wiley, feel better, dude. I can't say it enough, man. He's such an upbeat guy. And I know he's not feeling well, man. So please get better, man. Get out of that hospital and I don't know, man. Come on. All right, so we're gonna take this Contenders. I got this right here. Actually, let's just grab the box. Wait a second. So this is 12. So we did 10, 11, 12. So this is a third. So that means there's only gonna be 6 boxes left tomorrow. Now I'm going to draw on these. I'm gonna do some drew readings for us. So just sit tight after this, and I'll do everything that we need to do. Just to let you guys know that those are always your boxes. They're never mine. So I just want to make sure you guys always know that. I want you guys to get the best hits possible. That's why we're here. Jack O'Doyle rules. Going to Indy. Zoots, there he is. We got the crew back together. Getting the old band back together tonight, aren't we? What's up, Zoots? That's a true rookie of Jack O'Doyle rules. I would love to see an Eddie Lacy cracked ice right now. Now, Ray Graham. No, Ray. Here's a Ray Graham. You got Ray Graham cracker. 20 out of 21. Going to Houston. Houston, we have a problem. You got a Ray Graham. All right, but anyway, let's go to Mikey Wiley. I'm literally getting loopy from the 3.5 hour break that we're going on right now. Come on with it. All right. Hey, somebody was just calling us out not too long ago. Zach Stacy, Miraki, Berserker just coming in and just like judo, like Chuck Norris judo chopping everybody. There you go. That'll be a Zach Stacy. Sells well. He's going to do well this year as well. So can I say well anymore? I'm not sure. Let me just pound this water here. It is so hot in here. That's insane, dude. We haven't seen one Eddie cracked ice out of, I don't even know how many cases we're on. This is ridiculous. Like 12 cases at least. 12, 13, 14. I don't know how many cases. All right. First side. Here we go. Do we have all 3 or 2? Do we have 2 on cards coming? So we got a Zach Stacy, Ray Graham, and Jack Doyle. That means we still have 2 on card autos coming. Come on. I'm using my one time right now. I would love to see an Eddie the free. Well, Josephine Randall playoff ticket. I was going to say, if we hit Eddie Lacy cracked ice right now after we've been talking about it, I'll give it a free grade. That's 69 out of 99. Joseph Randall. That's one of the regular rookie variations. Going to Berserker, just cleaning house, doing work. I don't think that Stacy's on card. I don't think it is at all. Because Stacy hasn't been on card. It wasn't on card for Panini Black. It wasn't on card for any product this year. So I didn't think so. Because there's a Matthew Barclay going to J-Lef. On card auto Barclay. So that's actually, I mean, if you think about it with the Zach Stacy, Barkley, not a terrible box. That's the variation too. All right, fingers crossed for a weirdo hit now. Not this weird, like Luke Wilson weird. I'm going to Seattle. Clark, here you go, buddy. So this case of Contenders was definitely a Monty Ball case, to say the absolute least. 2 balls, 1 pack. All right, that immediately sounded weird. We hit 2 Monty Balls not out of 1 pack, out of 1 box. 2 Monty Balls out of 1 box. I don't know. All right. All right, here we go. You can tell I'm getting tired, right? All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Here it is. It's the last box for tonight. We've gone through 1,000,000 boxes. It's going to come down to this. Okay, y'all get the point. I mean, I had to put it on there. I felt like it fit just perfect. It did. You can't play around and be like, no, that didn't work. No, that worked. That worked real well. All right, here's Ray Rice, 95 out of 99. Here's Eric Dickerson, 14 out of 320. Emmitt Smith, T. Rich, Antonio Gates. And then he got Quentin Patton, 60 out of 99. And Gavin the Gangster Escobar, Berserker. I mean, that's the name. You're going Berserk player. 22 out of 99. Gavin the Gangster. One more. Now listen. There's 6 boxes in there. If something doesn't hit here, there's 6 boxes in there that tomorrow I would take a strong approach to those. Get on your marks tomorrow, boys. Here's Larry Fitz, 129 out of 170. Julio Jones, 22 out of 320. Carson Palmer, Justin Blackmon, David Wilson. T. Rich, 5 out of 36. All Brown. Yeah, I think a Tootsie Roll right there. Like that's all that reminds me of. Anyway, and last would be Stedman. But how are we gonna do that? 19 out of 99. Studman Bailey going to St. Louis. Berserker just literally putting the dagger in everybody here. Now listen. Here's the dealio, dudes. Tomorrow, what I would do is do this. So this was box 12. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull these boxes out one at a time, just in the same order. Okay. So here's 13. All right. 14. Okay. 15. Remember that. And we're gonna get down and dirty. Like I said, there's 6 boxes left. So here's 16. And the reason why I'm marking them, guys, is because there's 2 case hits left. So what I would do is I would jump on these. These are gonna go up first. That's 17 right there. And the final box, 18. Boom. So right there. Those are what's going to happen tomorrow, all right? I would jump on those. Your odds are, like, I hate to sound like I hate to sound like